Amazon PPC, it's where fortune favors the optimized, because in 2025, visibility isn't optional, it's oxygen. Over half of all US shoppers start on Amazon, which means your ads need to be smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. So today we're cutting through the clutter. We're going to bring you 11 of the best Amazon PPC tools to maximize sales, the ones that actually deliver ROI, not just dashboards and buzzwords. We'll break down which platforms automate your workflow, which give you total control, and which ones are worth every single cent of your ad spend. So before we deep dive, here's your speed run of who's who in 2025's PPC universe. Astra and Perpetua are perfect for bigger budgets and full automation. Helium 10 and SellerApp, all-in-one toolkits that combine ads, research, and optimization. Quartile and BidX are laser-focused automation for high-spend campaigns. And if you're looking for something for profitability over volume, Sellrbox is your secret weapon. Alright, time to see which one can actually transform your ad performance. Astra's like having a PPC strategist that never sleeps. It handles your entire ad lifecycle, from keyword harvesting to campaign setup, hourly bid optimization, day parting, and detailed reporting. Let's say your target ACOS is 25%. Astra will analyze your performance hourly and tweak bids automatically to keep you right on target. The result? Consistency without micromanaging. From mid to large sellers, managing multiple marketplaces, Astra gives you that perfect balance of automation with control. But it's not all plug-and-play magic. Its AI decisions can feel a bit opaque, and smaller sellers might find the $149+ monthly tag a stretch. Helium 10 isn't just an ad platform, it's an ecosystem. You get keyword research, listing optimization, analytics, and Adtomic AI module that automates bidding and targeting. For sellers who want one home for everything, from finding winning products to running ads, Helium 10 keeps all your data connected. That means your keyword data directly fuels your PPC campaign, so no more spreadsheet chaos or manual syncs. The only trade-off? With so many features, not every tool inside Helium 10 is best in class. But if you value integration over isolation, this is a powerhouse. Jungle Scout has evolved from product research to full campaign intelligence. Its PPC tools connect your ad performance with deep market and competitor data, helping you make smarter and faster decisions. For instance, you can see how your ad is performing relative to similar ACINs, or when you're adjusting your bids for maximum visibility. It's perfect for teams scaling fast, managing complex campaigns, or juggling multiple brands. The downside? Some of the advanced automation lives behind premium plans like Cobalt, so casual sellers might find it a bit overkill. Launching a new product, Viral Launch blends product discovery, keyword tools, and PPC into one interconnected system. Its kinetic PPC engine automates bids, negative keywords, and campaign schedules, while its listing optimization tools ensure your ads actually convert. Think of it like your launch control center, from takeoff to sustained orbit. The best part? You can test listing variations and see which one performs best before you pour in ad dollars. But it's broad. That means while it's great for synergy, it's not nearly as granular as a pure PPC specialist. Teikametrics is where AI meets multi-channel performance. If you're selling on Amazon and Walmart, this is your co-pilot. Its predictive AI looks at inventory, pricing, and ad data all together, so your bids reflect both demand and stock. Run out of inventory? It dials bids down automatically. High conversion surge? It scales you up instantly. It's smart, data-driven, and ideal for brands balancing multiple marketplaces. Just note that power comes at a premium. Pricing starts around $179 per month for smaller ad spends. Perpetua is a powerhouse for brands running serious ad budgets. It automates bidding, keyword harvesting, and optimization across every ad type, from sponsored products to DSP. You set your high-level goals, ACOS, ROAS, or total sales targets, and Perpetua handles everything else. It's built for scale. Think of it like mission control for your entire Amazon presence. But if you love tweaking every lever manually, this might feel a bit too automated. SellerApp brings automation with transparency. Unlike full AI platforms, it uses rule-based automation, meaning you can set if this then that conditions to control campaigns. Want bids to increase 10% when ACOS drops below 25%? Or pause ads when inventory is low? Dang. It's ideal for sellers who want precision without losing flexibility. Bonus, it also covers listing optimization, product research, and analytics all in one view. It's a great entry point for those scaling from manual ads to smarter automation. If your ad spend hits 5 figures monthly, Quartile is best built for you. It runs on hourly data and machine learning, automating bids and keyword expansion at a level that would take humans days. You can also import your campaigns, apply your own rules, and let Quartile optimize from there. It's trusted by enterprise brands managing complex ad ecosystems from Amazon to Walmart, Meta, and Google. But this precision comes at a price, typically starting near $895 per month. Sellrbox is for sellers who want simplicity without sacrifice. Its Visual Campaign Studio lets you see your automation logic, how ads connect, where budgets flow, and what triggers each change. The best part? Flat rate pricing. So whether you spend $1,000 or $100,000 on ads, you always know your costs. It's automation you can actually understand, perfect for small to mid-sized sellers who want predictable, effective PPC management. VerteX is built for advertisers who like structure. It blends AI-assisted optimization with rule-based controls, ideal for teams who want to automate on their own terms. You can shift budgets, tag campaigns, or create if/then triggers to scale up or down based on performance. It's detailed, powerful, and scalable, but setup requires attention to avoid rule conflicts. So if you love control, VerteX gives you the tools. Just be ready to invest some time in dialing it in. Finally, Sellrbox is where advertising meets profitability. Instead of just optimizing bids for ACOS, it shows how your PPC spend affects your bottom line, SKU by SKU. It can automate bids based on profit margins, not just clicks or conversion. That means smarter decisions, because sometimes fewer sales at higher margins beats high volume campaigns that lose money. For under $20 a month, Sellrbox gives you full profit tracking and ad automation. It's the most budget-friendly insight tool on this lineup. So how do you pick your perfect tool? Here's the bottom line. If you're scaling fast, Astra, Perpetua, or Quartile will automate at enterprise levels. If you're just starting or running lean, SellerApp, Helium 10, or Sellrbox give you smart results for less. And for hybrid teams who want structure with control, VerteX, Teikametrics, or Sellrbox will keep your PPC balanced and predictable. No matter where you are at in your Amazon journey, the right PPC tool turns guesswork into growth. So that's your 2025 Amazon PPC power list, the tools transforming clicks into customers. If this helped you sharpen your strategy, hit that like button, why not subscribe, and head over to DesignRush.com to find vetted Amazon PPC agencies ready to scale your sales even further.